Hello and welcome to our brand new listing in Beni Huzar. We're at a fantastic property with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms in the main house, and then we have a bonus second house here that's just outside of this fantastic private pool. The house is beautifully situated just 3 kilometres from the local village that has bars and restaurants and all the amenities that you need, but you get the plus of being in this fantastic countryside with these amazing views. The house has fantastically manicured gardens and even has an orange grove. Let's go and take a look. So let's go and take a look inside the main house. And now we're making our way into the spacious hall area here, where we have access to the family bathroom and the 3 spacious bedrooms. This property is all about views. From every angle, it's a fantastic view. Let's go.
We're starting off here with this fantastic view from the master bedroom balcony and making our way into the beautiful spacious double room with built-in wardrobes and air conditioning. Next, we're moving into the ensuite bathroom that's been recently renovated to a high standard. Next, we're moving into bedroom number 2, also with air conditioning and integrated wardrobes. And bedroom number 3, and the family bathroom.
So here we are in the extremely spacious living, dining, kitchen, open plan area with views out from every aspect from we look. Views out to the amazing private pool, views across the orange groves and across the mountains. But here is a fantastic room that's been beautifully renovated, modern design with all appliances. The property comes fully air conditioned. Plenty of space for guests and entertainment within this area. A very large, spacious living room. So here we are in the second house. Not only just one main house, but we have this separate annex in the rear garden, again with fantastic views. And this is a 1 bedroom with fully integrated kitchen and bathroom. Let's go and take a look inside. So here we are in the brand new kitchen that's been recently renovated in the annex property. We can make our way through into the living area. For a self-contained annex, this is extremely spacious property with a very large galley kitchen, glazed throughout so it takes full advantage of all the views, a spacious living room and then the master bedroom. Next, we move into the extremely large renovated bathroom. The house sits on over 6,900 square metres of land, which obviously includes the main house, the annex, private pool, garages, but also a bonus feature is this piece of land at the side of the house, which is currently used as an orange grove. The orange grove is on a fully automated system, so it's low maintenance. This piece of land could be used to build a house in the future, if that's something you would like to do. It also has a separate access from the road. Next, we're going to go down back to the main house and have a look inside the Underbuild, which is the size of the full footprint. So now we're making our way down to the Underbuild, which is a massive space that covers the entire footprint of the main house. Currently, the owner's using it as storage and also as a fantastic workshop. One of the really good features about this Underbuild is the ceiling height down here. So it could be easily turned into more bedrooms, more bathrooms. The space could be used for many different things. Finishing up today's tour on the drive. It's an extremely large space that has ample room for boats, cars, anything that you need. It has electric gates at the front and also has a large double garage. It's a fantastic property and opportunity. Also, it has solar panels which services the main house and the annex. For more information, contact us and we'll have the information below. Thank you.